Hello, welcome to Chidera Teaches Igbo. In today's teaching, I will be talking about greetings. Greetings in Igbo language is ekene. We'll be learning different kinds of greetings in Igbo language. We'll be learning how to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and other pleasantries in Igbo language. Before we go into it, let me go and get my seat. Welcome back to Chidera Teaches Igbo. Remember, our topic today is ekele, which is greetings. I've told you earlier we'll be learning different kinds of greetings in Igbo language. Now the basic ones are good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. How do we say that in Igbo language? Let's say good morning. Good morning. We have two words, right? Good morning. In Igbo language, good means oma, oma, and morning in Igbo language is otutu, otutu. So we have good, which is oma, and morning, which is otutu. But there's a little thing here. In Igbo language, you bring the morning first before the good, which is otutu, oma. But you know, in English language, you have your good first before the morning. So when we say it together, what do we have? Otutu, oma, which is good morning. Hope we are getting it right. Now the next one is good afternoon. How do we say good afternoon in Igbo? It's simple. It is ehihie oma. Now we know what oma is. I don't need to explain that again, guys. Oma means good, right? And ehihie, as you must have guessed, is what? Afternoon. So good afternoon in Igbo language simply means ehihie oma. Let's say it together, guys. Ehihie oma. I hope you are getting it, guys. The next one is good evening. How do we say good evening in Igbo language? Simple. We simply say mgbede oma. Evening in Igbo is mgbede. Then your good, which is oma. Now let's say it together, guys. Mgbede oma. Simple. Now how do you say your good night in Igbo language? It's just a word. Kachifo. Kachifo. That's how you say good night in Igbo language. Other common pleasantries we have are hi, hello, welcome. Now how do we say these things in Igbo? You simply say ndewo. Ndewo. If you want to say hi mommy, you could say ndewo mommy. Yes, if you want to say hello mommy, you could simply say ndewo mommy, because ndewo could mean those three things in Igbo language. Now, something very interesting is if you want to say hi, hello, or welcome to more than one person, you say ndewono. That's right. Ndewono. You add the no if you are referring to more than one person. Now, how do we say thank you in Igbo language? How do we say sorry in Igbo language? It's very, very simple. If you want to say thank you in Igbo language, you simply say imela. Yes, that is it. Imela. Very simple. What if you want to say sorry to someone? How do you say it in Igbo language? You simply say ndo. Ndo. That's how you say sorry in Igbo language. Ndo. That will be it, guys. These are the common greetings we have in Igbo language. But before we go, let's just have a recap of what we have learned today. How do we say good morning in Igbo language? Ụtụtụ ọma, simple. How do we say good afternoon in Igbo language? Ehihie ọma. How do we say good evening in Igbo language? Mgbede ọma. How do we say good night in Igbo language? You simply say kachifo. Now, how do you say hi, hello, or welcome to just a person in Igbo language? You simply say ndewo. But how do you say hi, hello, or welcome to more than one person in Igbo language? You simply say ndewo no. Then how do you say thank you in Igbo language? You simply say imela. Now, how do you say sorry in Igbo language? You simply say ndo. Alright guys, I'm so excited that we have learned these common greetings in Igbo language. Join me next time as we'll have other interesting topics to talk about. Kodi, bye!